Hey guys, welcome to Atlas Garage. In today's video we're going to be covering an 05 Dodge 2500. It's got a Cummins diesel in it. It's my neighbor's truck and we're going to have to drop the tank to replace the fuel sending unit. He is having an issue where the fuel gauge is not reading properly, so he's having an issue judging how much fuel is in the tank. So we're going to get that fixed for him. So we've got to drop the tank. First we've got to disconnect the fuel filler from right there where it connects to the filler neck. This flex hose here. We'll get a jack underneath the tank, undo fuel tank straps here, let the tank down, get the fuel sending unit out through the top, make sure everything's clean. It's important that we clean everything before putting it all back together because fuel systems are very delicate and this is a diesel. We really don't want anything in there. The biggest thing is we don't want to use water when we're cleaning. Or we don't want to use copious amounts of water if the tank's open, because then we can get water into the fuel system, and it's really bad in cars, it's really bad in diesels especially. There is a water fuel separator in diesels, so we want to make sure that we get all that clean, all back together good. To do that, we're going to be using it's a Harbor Freight 3-ton jack, not 2 ton, 3-ton jack. I do have a 2-ton cross beam attachment for it. That's how we're going to be securing it that's how we're going to be laying the fuel tank down easier. We'll get that onto the tank and ratchet strap it down, that way it doesn't fall off side to side. So I stand corrected. We gotta drop the tank slightly, carefully, not undoing the connectors or pulling on them too hard. But we gotta unhook the tank, drop it slightly, only a little bit, and then undo those connectors because it's really hard to get to them right now with the tank up there right now. So, devil's in details. Don't forget your O-rings. Otherwise you gotta pull a fuel tank again. Just to put an O-ring in. Yeah. So much fun. Oh man. Pay attention. Pay attention to what you're doing. It's important. Otherwise you'll end up doing something twice. At least I have a little bit of know-how as how to get things out this time. It doesn't take 3 hours to get just the tank out. Alright, back to work. So, fuel tank's all in, everything's connected. Devil's in the details. Pay attention. You could miss one thing and it could be devastating. I'm still learning. We all can learn something, and none of us are perfect. But the biggest thing is do what you enjoy. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button down below. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to hear your feedback. Alright. Anyways, checking out. Build your tomorrow. Man. Oh.
I like how you turn the camera on just to record your torture.
Oh, shut up.
It's not my fault you're literally down and dirty.
It's okay. I can get dirtier.